Are you tired of those confusing tutorials that make you install a bunch of software just to write a single line of code? It's so frustrating when you just want to try Python, but you're stuck in a maze of setup instructions before you can even start. Well, what if I told you that you could write and run your first Python program in the next few minutes right here in your browser and for free? Stick with me because I'm about to show you the easiest way and prove that coding is way easier than you think. So, what's this big secret? It's a tool called Google Colab. Think of it as a free online notebook from Google that lets you write and run Python code instantly. No downloads, no installations, no complicated setup. All you need is a Google account. Just open your browser and search for Google Colab. The first link you see, usually colab.research.google.com, is your destination. Once you land there, a little window will pop up. Just click on New Notebook and you're in. And that's it. Seriously, you are now looking at a live Python environment ready to go. This whole thing is called a notebook and it's made up of these little blocks called cells where you can write and run code. See that first cell with the little play button next to it? Go ahead and click inside it. Now type this classic command, print hello world. This is the traditional first program for a reason. The print command just tells Python to show whatever you put inside the parenthesis. Now, either press the play button or hold Shift plus Enter. And just like that, the words Hello World appear right below the cell. You just wrote and ran your first Python program in under a minute without installing a single thing. Okay, printing text is cool, but let's make this a little more personal using something called variables. A variable is just a fancy name for a box where you can store information. Then type this, name equals to Alice. We just created a variable called name and put the text Alice inside it. Now on the next line, let's use it. Print hello plus name. When you run this, Python grabs hello, adds the text from your name variable and prints it all together. You should see hello Alice. Now go on, change Alice to your own name and run it again. See, you're already customizing code. By the way, if this is already making sense and you've run your first bit of code, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps more people find out that coding isn't as scary as they thought.
So why are we doing this in a browser? Because the traditional way is full of annoying hurdles for beginners. You usually have to download Python, find and install a separate code editor like Visual Studio Code, and then wrestle with system settings that are different for every computer. It's a headache. Google Colab lets you skip all of that. It's a professional tool that works on any device, Windows, Mac, even a tablet. Plus, all the major libraries you'll hear about for data science like NumPy and Pandas are already installed. It even gives you access to powerful hardware like GPUs, often for free, which is incredible for when you want to try more advanced projects. And since it's a Google product, it works just like Google Docs. It saves automatically to your Google Drive and you can even collaborate with friends in real time. It is the perfect launchpad for anyone new to coding. You can get started now and worry about the complex setups way later. Oh, and it gets better. The newest versions of Colab have AI built right in. You can literally use plain English to ask it to generate code for you, have a chatbot explain what a piece of code does, or even get help fixing your errors. It's like having a friendly coding partner sitting right there with you, which makes learning feel way more interactive and a lot less frustrating. You just took your first real step into programming in only a few minutes. That's huge. Just imagine what else you could create. If you want to keep going, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. Now, for your first challenge, go back to your notebook and make it print a fun fact about yourself. What will you make it say? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Don't ever let anyone tell you that starting to code is hard. You just proved you can do it right now today. The barrier is gone. This is a massive first step, and the most exciting part is that you're just getting started. So keep playing, stay curious, and welcome to the awesome world of coding.